Have you ever wondered how to create your own website? Today, we're delving into the world of WordPress, a popular platform known for its user-friendliness and versatility. It's the secret behind millions of websites worldwide, and the best part? You don't need any coding knowledge to use it. With WordPress, building a website is as easy as pie. So whether you're a restaurant owner, a blogger, or just someone with a great idea, buckle up. Today, you'll walk away with the knowledge to start your own WordPress website. First things first, you'll need a domain name and a hosting provider. Think of your domain name as your home address on the internet, and your hosting provider as the landlord of that home. The domain is your website's unique address, while the hosting provider stores all your website's files and data. For beginners, I suggest choosing a provider that is both user-friendly and reliable, like, once you've got your domain and hosting sorted, it's time to install WordPress. Installing WordPress is a cinch with most hosting providers. They often feature a one-click WordPress installation, making it a breeze to get started. Simply follow the prompts, and before you know it, you'll find yourself in the WordPress dashboard. This is the command center of your website, with a menu on the left hosting a multitude of options. It's here where you'll control and customize every aspect of your site. Now that you're familiar with the dashboard, let's start shaping your website's appearance. WordPress offers a wide range of themes to change your website's look with just a few clicks. Browse the theme library, pick one that resonates with your website's purpose, and install it. Now, let's populate your site with content. Click on Posts to write engaging articles or pages, to create static ones like the homepage or About Us. WordPress Editor is quite user-friendly, working much like a word processor. With some content added and a theme selected, it's time to add some unique touches. Widgets, plugins, and the customizer are your tools to make your website stand out. Widgets add small chunks of content to your site, like a search bar or recent posts. Plugins, on the other hand, add larger features, such as galleries or forms. The customizer allows you to tweak your website's appearance and layout. Experiment with these tools to create a site that's uniquely yours. Now you're ready to introduce your website to the world. It's time to hit that publish button. With one click, your website goes live, ready for the world to see. But remember, this is only the beginning of your WordPress journey. Feel empowered to explore, tinker, and customize further. Every tweak you make, every new feature you add, brings you closer to perfecting your online presence. So, keep experimenting. Thank you for joining this WordPress tutorial. Don't forget to share your experiences in the comments, and happy website building.